Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can insert, format and caption table in Microsoft Word. Let's start it. Go to the Insert tab. Now click on the table. You can see we have the number of columns and rows. If I select 4 cross 3, it means there will be 4 columns and 3 rows. And you can do with another option as well. From here, insert table, and you can insert, let's suppose we have 4 columns and now we have the 3 rows, so we can later on increase or decrease the number of columns and rows. Just click OK. Now you can see here, if I write here the serial number, name, address and cell number or email. Now just make the heading bold. Just click on it and make it bold. You can also fill the cell background. Just click on this here. You can see here we have the table design and we have the shading. Now you can see I am applying the shade on the heading of the columns, so it will look like this. If you want to insert more rows at the end, so you can click here and then you can press the tab button. Okay, again here and the tab, again here and the tab. If you want to insert a column after the name, let's suppose I am adding another column and that is the father name, so there is no space for this, so I will click here and just right click here, insert column to the left or right, so I am selecting the right. So you can see here another column has been added. You can name it the father name, and here 1 2 3 4 and 5. And similarly, if you want to delete any column, let's suppose I'm deleting the father name, so just click here and right click here and then go to delete columns, so it will be deleted. Again, if I want to add a column here, so you can do it very easily. Right click here and go to insert. You can see here, if I want to add column to the right, so another column has been added. And similarly, you can delete the column as well. Now similarly, if you want to add another row here, let's suppose here, so just right click on this one, go to insert, and there are two options. If you want to insert rows above or insert rows below, let's suppose I am inserting rows below, so I will select this option. Now this will be 5 and this will be now 6. Now you can apply the different design to your table. You can see here the table design. If you are going to apply this one, so you can select the design according to your requirements or the document which you are providing. Okay, so a lot number of the designs are available by default. So for the sake of this video, I am selecting this design. Now if you want to apply or hide some borders, so you can do it here. Go to borders, and if you need only the top border, okay, so the top borders will be here. If you need only no, if you don't need any border, so you can select this one. If you need, let's suppose on the outside border, so you can see here we have only the outside border, and a number of examples over here. So just click or select the table and then apply all borders, so all borders will be displayed. Now if you are going to apply the shade on a particular cell, row or column, you can do it very easily. Just click on this column and apply the shade. You can see here any sort of the shade you can apply. Normally we shade the heading of each column, so apply this one. Okay, and now this is movable as well. You can move this table wherever you want. The last one, you can caption this table very easily, because anything you are presenting in this table, that should be meaningful. That's- So if you select this table and go to the references, now select here the caption, and by default it is table 1. Now you can select the label, that is the table. The position, where will be the position? It is normally for the table we have the above the selected item, and we are writing here, giving a label, list of BCS students. So click OK, and you can see here we have a labeled caption against this table. You can also format it according to your requirements or according to the document which you are providing. So you can see here we can also justify and format the label name as well. So this is all about you can apply with the table inside the Microsoft Word. You can also format the contents of the table here. Suppose you are writing here John, Kamal, Aisha, Salam, Suhail, and so now you can see here we can also format the contents here. Now select this, and you can see we can increase its size or decrease its size. You can also change its font as well, Times New Roman, any font you like. And we can also align it according to our requirements. You can justify align to the left, center, or align right. So make it justify or to the left side.